Something's not right here.
Don't tell me it's a geode! What's happening?
T, wake up! T, wake up! I heard something strange in the barn.
Don't tell me it's a geost!
Did you hear that? Something's not right here.
I heard a noise. Be ready.
Maybe we should go back to bed.
I'll record everything. If it's a ghost, tomorrow we're on the news. Something doesn't feel right.
Something waiting in there. Hello? Is anyone in there?
What's happening?
Whatever's hiding, I'm ready. You poor little thing. You must be starving.
See? No ghosts. Just our imagination. We totally overreacted.
Phew. I was so scared I got hungry.
Breaking news! The barn ghost is an adorable kitten. Exclusive midnight investigation reveals shocking cuteness. Can you believe what just happened?
Best night ever!
We did it! She'll be safe now.
Smells amazing. Maybe just one sip.
Hey! That's for the kitten!
Oh, I didn't know. Sleep tight, little one.
We did it, friends!
Perfect moment.
New day, everyone! Breakfast time!
Hey! Not my hair! Ugh. Who's my little adventurer?
Perfect! The newest member of the Wacky Farm!
Let's name it Lazy Cat, because all it does is eat and nap. Meow?
This is the BEST morning ever! Whee! Catch the butterflies! Look at me, upside down champion!
Everyone ready for our special photo? Perfect! Stay right there.
Can you believe how perfect this moment is?